Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are reviewing the VIOFO A119 V3 dash cam. I looked through product specifications, customer feedback, and comparisons from across the internet to find out whether it still holds up. By the end of this video, I'll let you know if I think the VIOFO A119 V3 is worth your money or if you should consider another option. Don't forget to hit the link below for the best price. One of the biggest reasons drivers continue to choose the VIOFO A119 V3 is its outstanding image quality. It records in sharp 2K Quad HD resolution at 2560 by 1440, giving you significantly more detail than a standard full HD dash cam. That extra resolution can make a real difference when reading license plates, identifying road signs, or capturing important details after an accident. It also supports recording at up to 60 frames per second, resulting in smoother footage that looks clearer during high-speed driving. A major contributor to its image quality is the 5-megapixel Sony STARVIS image sensor. This sensor performs exceptionally well in both daylight and low-light conditions, producing bright, detailed footage even when driving at night. Combined with true HDR technology, the camera balances bright headlights, dark roads, and changing lighting conditions much better than many entry-level dash cameras. Whether you're driving through city streets or on dark highways, you can expect consistently clear recordings. The camera also features a 140-degree wide-angle lens that captures multiple lanes of traffic without introducing excessive image distortion. It provides an excellent balance between wide coverage and image clarity, helping record what's happening around your vehicle without stretching objects near the edges of the frame. Another feature that adds tremendous value is the built-in GPS module. Every video can include your driving speed, location, and travel route, providing useful information if you ever need to review footage for insurance claims or legal situations. The GPS data can also help verify exactly where and when an incident occurred. One of the biggest reasons many people buy a dash cam is for protection while the vehicle is parked, and the A119 V3 performs well here too. It supports buffered parking mode, which records footage before and after motion or an impact is detected. This provides more complete evidence compared to basic parking modes that only begin recording after an event has already started. Just keep in mind that parking mode requires an optional hardwire kit for continuous power. The dash cam also supports motion detection and time-lapse recording. Motion detection helps capture activity around your parked vehicle, while time-lapse mode records at lower frame rates to conserve storage during extended parking periods. These features add extra flexibility depending on how you plan to use the camera. Ease of installation is another advantage. The compact wedge-shaped design mounts neatly behind your rear-view mirror, keeping it out of your line of sight while maintaining a clean factory-like appearance. Once installed, it operates automatically, starting recording when you turn on the vehicle and saving footage as you drive. After researching customer reviews and feedback from across the internet, the overall response has been overwhelmingly positive. Buyers consistently praise the sharp video quality, dependable reliability, excellent nighttime performance, accurate GPS tracking, and solid parking mode features. Many owners mention that despite newer models entering the market, the A119 V3 continues to offer one of the best combinations of performance and value in its price range. So, should you buy the VIOFO A119 V3 dash cam? My answer is yes. Based on everything I've researched, it remains one of the best front-facing dash cameras for drivers who want dependable performance without paying premium prices. The crisp 2K recording, smooth 60 FPS video, Sony STARVIS sensor, true HDR, built-in GPS, buffered parking mode, and reliable day and night performance make it an excellent investment for protecting yourself on the road. If you're looking for a proven dash cam that consistently delivers high-quality footage and dependable operation, I think the VIOFO A119 V3 is definitely worth considering. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.